everybody, it's Matt here from MATTCARVES. So today I'm going to transform my carving table. Well, actually I'm not going to transform it just yet. I'm going to just do a little bit of a relief carving on it, and then over weeks and weeks and months, maybe even a year, I'm going to transform the top, the legs, everything, and I'm going to show you how to do relief carvings. But today I'm going to carve a dragon, and it's going to be all about carving. Just going to put it to some music. All right, okay, let's get on with it.